Hello friends, this is me Shomita. Welcome back to my channel Glowing Angel. Friends, today I'll be creating this glam and gorgeous brown smoky eyes makeup look with affordable products. But before starting, I want to say if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you will get notified. So let's get started with the eye makeup first. At first I am shaping and filling my brows with Hilary Roda Brow Definer. I am using this Savannah cream concealer to define my brows more properly. Now I am applying the Mist Clear Primer to my eyelids. I am using this same Savannah concealer into my eyelid as an eyeshadow base, blending it well with a damp beauty blender. For powder, I am using this Wet n Wild powder. Now I am using this APK brown eye pencil into my eyelid. I am using a fluffy brush and slightly taking the orange eyeshadow from the Huda palette to blend the harsh edges of the crease line. Taking this brown shade from the same Huda palette and place it into my eyelid. Now I am again taking the orange eyeshadow and blending it well into my crease line. At last, now I am again darkening my eyelids with the same brown eyeshadow from the Huda palette. For lower lash line, I am using the same brown and orange eyeshadow. Now it's time to add some shimmer, and I'm using this shimmery shade from the same Huda palette and blending it well into my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. To complete the eye look, I am using this falsies. I am applying this Maybelline mascara into my lower eyelashes. Now it's time for face makeup, and I am already applied my moisturizer. For primer, I am using the same Mist Clear primer. I am using this Kiss Beauty orange corrector into my dark spots and blending it well with a brush. concealing, I am using the Swiss Beauty Concealer shade Warm Sand. Foundation, I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation shade Desert Beige and blending it well with a damp beauty blender. Now it's time for baking and I am using the same Wet n Wild powder. Slightly contouring my face with this liquid contour which I bought from Hatibagan and shared in my Hatibagan haul. For blush, I am using this SFR blush shade 02 Sunshine Orange. Now I am sweeping off the excess powder from my face. As I want this look to be glam gorgeous bold, so I am choosing this dark brown lipstick for my lips. Now it's time to shine, and for highlighter I am using this Shivana Shimmer Big highlighter and applying it to the high points of my cheeks and the bridge of my nose. At last, the most important thing in the sweaty summer season is to fix your makeup to stay long. I am using this Kiss Beauty makeup fixer. So my angels, this is the final look. Tell me how is it. If you like it, then give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, and please stay safe in the lockdown and spend some quality time with your family. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.